Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Ed. I'm out today doing a practice on the air activation. Mind my feet. And today I'm at a UK POTA park, and the park number is GB-0732. So it's an area called Pulfin Bog. Pulfin Bog, not Puffin Bog, not Puffin Bog, Pulfin Bog. So if anyone knows what Pulfin is, please tell me. It's an area of marshland that's been handed over as a wildlife reserve, and if you look around you can see that that's pretty much all you get. So we're going to try and do a POTA activation. Yep, seems fair enough to me. That's a good swim anyway. Okay, what's this? So, I'll be honest, if you're going to swim in here, you have to be daft. Although, apart from the flies, it does look quite nice. Dragonfly there. Uh-oh. Yeah, get out country. I used to call those kissing gates when I was a kid. I couldn't get many kisses in there, to be honest. I just squeezed through it on my own. There we go. So we're looking for a bird watching hide, which I think is basically, it's like a fence. Not a fence. It's like a big wood panel with holes in it. Someone's been out with a streamer. That's nice. Flip round here. Aha. There we go. Bird watching hide. Any birds? Oh. Okay, so here I am. I'm in my little bird watching hide, and I'm going to set up this nice size tree there, one up there. I'm going to try and hang an end fed off, and hopefully everything will go well. So yeah, all good. So much wire. So what I'm going to use today is this QRP guys. This QRP guys end fed, which I got off Amazon. Now, more clever people might say, "Oh, but you can't buy a QRP guys kit off Amazon," and you're completely right, you can't. This is a copy, and I had to rewire the toroid because although it's pretty well made, it was badly wound and it wouldn't work. So there you go, get what you pay for. Yeah, nice one. Right, today I am using my, see you later, I'm going to use my Xiegu x6100, which is going to do a good job of QRP, so yeah, see how we get on. Okay, it's never a dull day in radio. I have to apologise, actually this location isn't the most photogenic in the world. To be honest, so I've got a path, I have another path, and I've got trees. And sometimes I get people in dogs. I've seen some fishermen, some lads out fishing with a girlfriend, at least that's what they said they were doing. Don't know if they had any good catches or not. But yeah, British weather keeps doing what it does best, and that is raining. So at the moment, radio station 2 Echo Zero Hotel Kilo Zulu is covered up. We're hiding from the elements. But it is what it is, isn't it? What are you going to do? We shall keep going. I have got 4 or 5 FT8 contacts in the bag. I think I picked a competition weekend again, but that says we might have done it. So we're going to try and get out. We're on 10 watts. We're getting some contacts, so it's all good. So if you didn't catch it, this is Pulfin Bog, which is a delightful name. It's a bit of reclaimed swampland that's been taken over by the RSPB or the British Society for Wild Badgers or something, I mean, I don't know. And yeah, they've reclaimed it, they've unbogged it. It's still a little bit bouncy in places. I think it was flooded about 6 months ago. You couldn't get here at all, the flood went all the way over the path. But it's alright. I'm a bit confused why we've got all these nice bird watching hides, but I mean, you can't see anything, can you? There's a few blackberries. Well, there were a few blackberries. I think they've been eaten now, is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to go back to see how many more contacts I've got, and I will fill you in later, as the doorman said. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency clear? Is this frequency used? Is this frequency clear? CQ POTA, this is 2 Echo Zero Hotel Kilo Zulu, calling CQ and standing by. CQ POTA, CQ Pax in the air, this is 2 Echo Zero Hotel Kilo Zulu, calling CQ and standing by. CQ POTA, CQ Pax on the air, this is 2 Echo Zero, calling 2 Echo Zero Hotel Kilo Zulu, calling CQ and standing by. CQ POTA, CQ Pax on the air, this is 2 Echo Zero Hotel Kilo Zulu, calling CQ and standing by. CQ POTA, CQ Pax on the air, this is 2 Echo Zero Hotel Kilo Zulu, calling CQ and standing by. CQ POTA, CQ Pax on the air. Okay, it seems a shame to call it a day, but I think we're going to call it a day. Nice location, nice walk, nice weather, but it is what it is, isn't it? I will go home, I will do my logs. It's not going to take me long. I got a total of 3 for FT8 and I've got nothing at all on SSB, so that's the way it goes. And it's just one in weekends. So yeah, thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed the channel. If you like what I do, what you see, then please click like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications for the next time I come and do one of these extremely exciting adventures. One day I'm going to get somewhere with some atmosphere and some landscape and something to see apart from trees, but you know, trees are good. But yeah, till next time, same phase.